Let's look at Chapter 8, Lesson 7, Review. Complete each multiplication table. So I know that 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 6 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6, 2 times 6 is 12. 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 6 is 18. So now I'm going to find the difference. Remember, you're going to subtract. 6 minus 3 is 3, 12 minus 6 is 6, 18 minus 9 is 9. You can see the pattern for the difference is going up by 3. Number 2, 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 5 is 5, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 5 is 10, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 5 is 15. Now you're going to find the difference. 5 take away 2 is 3, 10 take away 4 is 6, 15 take away 6 is 9. If you notice, the difference is the same for number 1 and number 2. Number 3, 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 9 is 9, 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times 9 is 18, 3 times 5 is 15, and 3 times 9 is 27. Find the difference. 9 take away 5 is 4, 18 take away 10 is going to be 8, and 27 take away 15 is going to be 12. It's going up by 4. Number 4, 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 12 is 12, 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times 12 is 24, 3 times 5 is 15, and 3 times 12 is going to be 36. Now I'm going to find the difference. 12 minus 5 is going to be 7, 24 minus 10 is going to be 14, and 36 minus 15 is going to be 21. You can see here that this one's going up by 7. Let's look at the geometry section. The two figures have the same area. Are they congruent? Write yes or no. So that's the first step. And then we find the area. So there's 2 steps for each of these. Make sure that you do 2 things for each 5 and 6. So for number 5, we're going to find out if they're congruent. And looking at them, congruent means same shape, same size. And I can see that I have a 3 by 4, which would be 12 in here, and a 3 by 4 here, which would be 12. And then I have a triangle down there that is congruent. So yes, number 5 is congruent. And to find the area, I already know that the boxed off part is 12. I'm going to box off this section, and I know it's a 2 by 3, which is going to be 6, but the triangle is just half a 6, which would be 3. So I know that the whole area is going to be 12 plus 3, which equals 15. We're going to do the same thing for number 6. I'm going to go ahead and box it off so you can clearly see if it's congruent. The boxed off part I can tell is 3 by 5s, which I know a 3 times 5 would be 15. And then I would need to find the triangle section. And I know that they'd be a 2 by 3, which would be 6, but the triangle part's only half. So 3, which tells me that yes, they are congruent, same shape and same size. And the area is 15 plus 3, and I know that that's going to be 18. Remember to show your work so you can get full credit.